Welcome to the rainy season of Da Nang. Today I'm going to show you a typical mid-November day. Even though last week it was pretty good, but today it's pretty rainy. It's not as rainy as I need an umbrella, but it's still rainy. But you see people still driving around with their scooters. That's a nice looking Django. And yeah, we're gonna walk now to the beach and I will show you how the streets look like and the beach will look like. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe, and we will post lots of more walking videos and also some full hotel reviews in the future. And now I'm gonna be quiet and you're gonna hear a little bit more of the street sounds. This hier auch ziemlich interessant. That's pretty interesting here. Easy Go. So they are a new motorbike rental place. I never seen them before. They have a lot of free to use motorbikes. So you don't need a international driver license. Look at this. Let's ask. Here. 1 to 3 days, 130,000. It's a pretty good price here. So monthly is 1.8. Hello. You got a lot of bikes, huh?
You want?
No, I'm YouTuber. I just want to show.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Okay. Evo 200 Lite. Look at how many they have. It's crazy. All right. Thank you so much. Yes, I see it. Yeah. Very good. So this place is actually very close to the An Thuong area. So if you want to get a quick motorbike, that's it. And they say also here, deposit unnecessary passport, we don't hold it. Very good, right? So I think they just make a picture of it. And you can also, look at this. So charge, free swap for fully charged. So whenever your bike is empty, you just pull up and get a new one. I think that's great. My God, this might be the title for this video. This is amazing. Okay, guys, now we learned something here. So here, TV, hotel, apartments. I could imagine you can get good deals here in these apartments as well. We'll definitely explore this as well on my main channel, Social Semi. You can follow me there too. This is my favorite tour place here in this region. It's a very nice owner. Very authentic Hanoi style pho. Xin chào. Nice banh mi places here. Now we are already on the street, which will end up at the beach. That's where we're gonna go. There's also another gym here, outdoor gym. I saw a lot of gyms here in this area as well. I could imagine this is pretty well priced. I don't think they have any price out there. And this here is very good food, ban ut. I love this dish. It's pretty cheap, but it's very, very good. I don't know why it's always empty. Guys, you gotta go back in there. I gotta go back in there. It was delicious. And here lots of foreigners go here as well. Bros Cafe. I think they also serve protein shakes or something. And Irini, a Greek restaurant. Now it stopped raining. It's still here and there some raindrops, but very light. So I think it's not over yet, but I think the rainy season is not that bad this year. See some bonsai trees here. And here is also the nightlife area. The big bar street of Da Nang, of the An Thuong area. It's right here. Okay. Let's hope we don't get killed. It starts right here with Crossroad Bar, and then I'm gonna follow up with the Heaven Bar on the left. So here on the weekend it's pretty full. So if you want to have a beer and a little bit of a night out, it's more of a dive bar scene than a real nightclub or club scene. But it's getting pretty full. Last time I've been here, I think it was in last time I've been here in Halloween, it was very full. It's very packed. And this place at night also gets really rowdy. Pretty good. I think it's great. The more places they have here, you can have like a hotspot of the city where everyone goes out to have a drink. And you don't have to walk far for the next place. Tattoo shop, I think that's pretty new. And here if you want to repair your bike, that's also, I think, the closest one. Oh, let's see what they're building here. Nice. The German deli. If you want to have some German sausages. Oh, we'll be closed for 2 weeks until 2nd of December. We'll be back on 3rd December. Okay. So no German sausages for you guys and for me. Here's another hair salon. And here this whole row is full of bars at night. They're all open and pretty full. An Thuong. It's a good midnight pizza spot here, Bello Pizza. Yeah. This is how the rainy season looks at the moment. 2 days ago it was beautiful. Scallywags, a sports bar here right away in the An Thuong area. It's the first bar here. And this street here, the An Thuong 5, is also very busy with lots of restaurants and spa places. And also a co-working spaces over there too. And here you always gotta check out the price, right? So 99,000 Vietnamese dong is $4, not 5. So if you would give them $5, that's like just 20% more. Cafe 43. So they serve 120,000 dong coffees, because of this view here, the kois. And it's pretty Instagrammable, but I don't know about the coffee. Hey guys, we're almost here. We're at the Le Quan Dao Street right now. It's like a big, long main street here. And we're gonna approach An Thuong 421 and then the beach road. It's very good. They're cutting the trees. So if a typhoon is hitting Da Nang, it's not gonna end up very bad. I think they are very good here with the typhoons because they experience a lot. So right before the season, they go all over the town and cut all trees. This Naruto ramen is also pretty good. It's a very big bowl of ramen. Between $4 and $5. This is An Thuong 3. It's a charming hotel. I did a very good video about this one too, so I will link some hotel reviews down below. We're approaching the beach. I want to see the beach. I want to see how the sand in the ocean looks right now. So here the bar opens up pretty early. It's just noontime right now. And I think it's going to be busy in some hours. Yeah, comment below what you think about this motorbike guy.
Last time that
Okay guys, now we are at the An Thuong 1 street. And if you get a hotel over here, there are so many hotels here. And the weird thing about that is like they are between $5 and $15 the whole street. It's kind of crazy, but you are right at the beach here. And if it's a good weather, then oh my god, the waves though. I don't know, this is a little bit very sad to see this here. Because you see, all the wood was around and people just throw in their trash. So this is a very, very bad sign for the city. You should definitely fix that as soon as possible. That looks so bad. Like, because the trash thing is over here, but still people just throw out that trash in there because they're lazy. And I don't even think there are foreigners, to be honest. Those VinFast cars are very nice. You can also book them as a ride sharing with the Xan SM taxi app. Look at this. Even though it's grainy and gray, but it still looks very nice. And here is also the reason why it doesn't flood on the beach area. Or in the An Thuong area. It's this here. Even though, oh my god, what happened here? It's broken. Uh-oh. I hope this is not gonna be a issue, because usually this is like a straight pipe to the ocean, and I don't know why it is full of sand right now. Because if this is not working, it might flood if it's raining non-stop. So now you see the old picture what I always love to film here, the beautiful Mian Beach. It still looks good. It's just a little bit gray. And if the clouds moving away and this blue comes out, this is still beautiful to walk around, because it's still warm, so I like it. Beautiful beach. And actually people are out walking, taking a long stroll on the beach. Even though it rains a little bit, but it's not that bad. Yeah, this view never gets old. And sometimes I even watch those videos on my big TV, especially from the summer. So if you watch until now, just go back and watch some of the summer videos I did, or Shani or Bud did. So we have 3 friends who are recording this here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if this is helpful. I also did a lot of hotel reviews all over this place here. So I actually did a whole 11 hotels on the beach. I reviewed them all. I will link it down below. It's a very good video on my main channel. So look at this beauty. It's still nice. The rain is annoying, but I think it's still good. It's still good. And let's hope it clears up a little bit at the end of the week. And weirdly enough, I talked with a lot of friends of mine, and a lot of people actually enjoy the rainy season compared to the heat in the main summer season. And prices are low at the moment. You can get very good budget hotels between $5 and $15. But I would always go for $10 to $20. Then you have a really good value. I made also a few videos about that. But yeah, look at this. Kinda empty, but it's perfect to walk. It's not hot. It's a little bit of a wind, a little bit of a rain. But yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video about all the hotels and subscribe here. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.